Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's lecture, we will discuss the difference between transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. The first one is transitive verbs. Let's understand this. A transitive verb is a verb that requires a direct object to complete its meaning. The action of the verb is directed toward someone or something. For example, she bought a new car. In this example, bought is a transitive verb. A new car is a direct object. The action of the buying is performed on the new car. That is the reason it is considered as a transitive verb. Means the verb that requires a direct object. Here the direct object is a new car. Next example is he ate a delicious meal. In this sentence, ate is a transitive verb and delicious meal is a direct object. The action of eating is directed towards the delicious meal. Next example is they built a sand castle. In this example, built is a transitive verb and a sand castle is a direct object of this sentence. Characteristics of transitive verbs. Transitive verbs have a direct object, as we already discussed in the examples, and the sentence may feel incomplete without it. They answer the question what or who after the verb. If in any example, if it answers the question what or who, then it is considered as a transitive verb. For example, the sentence, she ate an apple. It covers the question what she ate. So that is a transitive verb. Next is intransitive verbs. An intransitive verb is a verb that does not require a direct object to complete its meaning. The action of the verb does not act upon someone or something. For example, she laughed. Here, laughed is the intransitive verb. There is no direct object in this sentence because laughing doesn't involve an action on something specific. The cat jumped. Here, jumped is the intransitive verb. There is no direct object as the cat is simply performing the action of jumping. The flowers bloomed. Here, bloomed is the intransitive verb. The action of blooming is not directed toward any specific object. Characteristics of intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs do not have a direct object and the sentence is complete without one. They often answer the question how, when, or where the action occurred. Some verbs can function as both transitive and intransitive, depending on the context. For example, she runs every morning. Here, runs is the intransitive verb. The sentence is complete without specifying what she runs, because this question does not answer the question what. She runs a marathon every year. Here, runs is transitive because there is a direct object in marathon and the action is directed toward completing the marathon, means it answered the question what. Thank you for watching.